Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to go into a scene and switch out the characters. Alright, so we have all of these scenes here in this tab. I'm going to show you the one with Jack. So we're going to do the zoom into office one. So I'm going to bring this into my timeline. And when it plays through, this is what it's going to look like. All right. Voila. Super simple. But maybe you love this background, you love this scene, but you don't want your character to be Jack. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up and we're going to click Open Group. All right, so once we get it in here, we can expand it if we would like, right? And we're going to scroll through here. This is the way I like to do it. And you can click Open Group. So now we have the office, we have the added chair that's in there, and then we have Jack. Now, if we get rid of Jack, we get rid of the desk, we get rid of everything. So keep that in mind. All right, so I accidentally hit back. Anyways, we'll just get right back there. Open Group. All right, so Jack is still in there. And this is a scene where Jack is just working on the computer. He gives you a thumbs up, and simple as that. So I'm going to go in to the 3D creator, and I'm going to choose Linka. I'm going to put her in the timeline instead. All right, and this is her right now. I am going to go into presets since I've already showed you how to customize characters in this tab. And this is a preset that I already have for her, so I'm gonna do that. And then because I don't want her just standing in this room, I am gonna go to her actions. I'm gonna change her idle action to working on PC, happy. So now we have her in there, so we can get rid of Jack. But you can't really tell that she's happy right now, right? She's just standing there. It does this weird little action to go into the scene. She could be crying. She could be, who knows? We don't really know, right? So instead, for one, I'm going to start by disabling the start and the end because I don't want her moving in that weird motion. I want her just sitting at the desk, right? And I want to be able to see her. So you can use the screen to put something there if you like. So that's what that's for. But today I'm just showing you how to replace a character in the scene. So I'm not worried about that right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the character and I'm going to click rotate. So we're just going to rotate her, right? There we go. And that's about right. I can do some adjustments here in a second, but I'm going to push her back into the scene a little more. And I'm going to rotate her this way and down a little bit. Make it look like she's actually level with the floor. Right, you can do some more adjustments here and there, but you get the point. So now she's here in the scene. She has the desk, she has everything else. Right, so she's just working. Ooh, she's happy. So yeah, so we can do that, and we can always add more actions as well. So I don't know if she has a thumbs up. No, she doesn't, but we can have another one where she's just working on the PC and things like that, right? So sometimes when we add additional ones, it's gonna have it reset again. We don't want that. So we're going to disable transition. I'll just disable end as well. And I guess I'll disable start as well. All right. So there we go. Whenever it plays through, she's just going to be sitting there and nothing's going to change. All right. It's pretty simple for switching out characters. They're not always going to be the exact same as you saw, right? So sometimes it's not going to be as perfect. It's not the exact same desk, but you can go and make some alterations where you want to. So we're gonna play it through real quick. All right, and so the next thing we need to do is we need to change the name. We obviously don't want it to say Jack unless we want to call her Jack. That's fine if you do, but we're not gonna do that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the text, and I'm just gonna call her Liz. All right, and that's that. Super simple. And we'll play it through again. And now whenever it goes through, it'll just say meet Liz. All right, and that's it for this part. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna show you how to utilize the green screen next. So I went ahead and rotated her around already. I'm gonna call her Liz since that's what I named her in the title. But so I've rotated Liz around, and you can see that this screen just says placeholder on it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on Liz, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the Customize tab, and then we're gonna go to the Logo section, Logos and Images. And there's all different parts here. There's logos, there's PC screen, there's laptop screen, phone screen, tattoo, right? So we can go in and we can change different aspects. So we're just gonna click on PC screen since that's what we're dealing with. And then I went in and I searched up skiing trip and I downloaded an image that's right here, right? So if you don't remember, you just click on the image and then you'll either click download or you can just click import right here. All right, and so what I'm gonna do is because I clicked PC image, I'm gonna click this, and then it's just automatically gonna put it in the screen. So if you're trying to do this for a business, you could import something that's related to your business, you could do whatever, but it won't let you do videos for this, so just keep that in mind. It is pictures only, but there you go. And now it's gonna play through with her moving, excited, so on and so forth, right? So we're gonna go back to the main timeline, and we are gonna play that through. And you can always add additional text. You can always make this longer. You can have it incorporated into whatever it is that you're trying to do. But for the point of this video, I've showed you how to change out the character and then how to also change out the image on the computer screen. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you again for watching.